Thank you for joining us here at EarthCalm. We are going to take a few minutes to answer some of the common questions that we get about the EarthCalm home systems which are manufactured prior to 2015. Okay, first let's take a minute to talk about the base. Over the years, we have made subtle changes to the appearance of the home systems, and a genuine EarthCalm home system that was manufactured prior to 2015 would look similar to the ones pictured here to the right on the screen. Some of those versions have lights, and some don't, and different versions have 1, 2, or 3 outlets depending on how long ago you ordered your home system. Well, we get the question a lot, what's inside the base? The home system contents have changed over the years, which means the placement of the energetic circuits will vary based on the version that you have. And in the later versions, we completely removed the unit's electrical circuit board. And here's why we did that. The energetic circuits are not powered by electricity. They simply require an ongoing exposure to the man-made electromagnetic field, which is produced by your home's electrical system. And it's easily accessed at your wall outlet. That's why we designed this to plug right into your home's wall outlet. You can see here, this is the circuit board that later was removed as it wasn't a necessary component inside the unit. Another question we get is, where are the circuits? The circuits are actually microcircuits. They're all handcrafted here in California, and they're small. Sometimes they're hard to see if you don't know what you're looking for. So let's just take a minute to go over what to look for. There are energetic circuits in both the base and the plugs, and the early home systems contain these small, round, white epoxy pods which encapsulated the energetic circuits. And these were either adhered to the underside of the electrical circuit board, as you can see here. You have to look very closely to see that little white epoxy pod. Or they were affixed to the inside of the case in the versions that were manufactured after the electrical circuit board was removed. Later, energetic circuits were hand rolled into bundles, and then they were secured with tape to the inside of the case. And you can see that here in a home system that was pulled apart by our manufacturing department. Another question we get quite a bit is, what's in the plugs? And just like the bases, as I said before, of the early home systems, the plugs also contain those small round epoxy pods. They're encapsulated, they encapsulate the energetic circuits, and you can see that here. These were either adhered to the inside of the plug, or later they were secured with tape as well. And then after we increased the strength of the home system, even more energetic circuits were encased in color-coded epoxy. And that was to ensure that the correct circuits were placed into the correct plugs. You can see here there's a yellow epoxy pod with circuits inside, and then here we have the blue epoxy pod. Eventually the energetic circuits were hand rolled, just like in the base, into bundles and then secured inside the plug with tape. And here I'll show you what it looks like underneath the tape. There's a little hand roll there. Inside there are a whole bunch of circuits, and just rolled up into a nice, neat little bundle. So we get customers who say, I ordered this home system back in 2012 and I would like to have something that is stronger, is going to provide more protection. And for those of you who do have an older home system, we do have update plugs. And the reason we have update plugs is because the man-made EMF exposure is ever increasing on the planet. So we're continually improving our products, and the update plugs are the answer for the home system. So instead of buying a brand new home system, you can go ahead and update your system with the update plugs. The update plugs increase the strength of your home system by as much as 8 times. So it is a good idea to get those as soon as possible. And they are available for versions of the home system as far back as 2012. You can click on these images here. They'll take you to the update plugs and you can read about them, or you can call our customer service department and they can help you with any questions you might have. And this is the current version of our home system, which is the EarthCalm Infinity home system. If you did purchase your home system before the 2012 mark, unfortunately the update plugs are not compatible, and in this case we do offer an upgrade discount of 25% off of the purchase of a new Infinity home system, which is our most current version, and that's for a limited time only. We do limit 1 per customer. These home systems are great. They're more compact. They include all 4 phases. It's the highest level of protection that we offer, and they are worldwide. It comes with all 4 plugs, so no matter where you are, you should be able to plug it into a socket there. You can click on these images to learn more, or again, you can contact our customer service department. So I want to say thanks for joining us. You can check out all of our products at earthcalm.com. Again, if you have any further questions, we'd love to hear from you. You can contact our customer service Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Again, we're in California, and the number is 800-474-2584, or you can email us. We have very friendly customer service people who will respond to you within a day or two. So, thanks again. We hope to hear from you soon.